Hello, my name is Janet Sebahar and I'm with the Energy Smart Trade Ally Outreach Team. Welcome and thanks for attending the Nicor Gas 2019 Trade Ally Launch Update. We will review the update to private and public sector as well as income qualified offerings. I will be presenting along with Fred Costello and Jennifer Sally. At Nicor Gas, safety is very important to us, so we start every meeting with a safety minute. Since many of us are on the road every day and winter has arrived, here are some ideas for an emergency kit for your car. You never know when you may get stranded. Always carry a charged cell phone, flashlight with extra batteries, snow brush or scraper, jumper cables, blanket and extra clothes, emergency reflective signs or flares, food and water, and of course plenty of gas. Here's today's agenda. We will be reviewing the following items: Energy Smart highlights, 1099 requirements, Trade Ally and Contractor Circle updates, the 2018 closeout schedule, on-bill financing updates, and residential, commercial, and income qualified updates. We will record the webinar and post to our website. Everyone who registered for the webinar will also receive an email with the link to the recorded webinar. A quick note: we will present rebates and incentive levels for some of our offerings today, but as always, incentive levels are subject to change at any time. Please visit nicorgasrebates.com on January 2nd to get the new application and final incentive information. Let's get started with the Energy Smart highlights. Here are some of the savings you helped Energy Smart achieve. Almost 900,000 customers installed over 1.25 million measures and saved 122 million therms. They also saved more than 1.2 billion gallons of water. 122 million therms equates to the energy used by more than 69,000 homes for a year. That's more than the entire city of Aurora. And we could not have done this without you and all your hard work, so thank you. Back in December of 2016, new state legislation called the Future Energy Jobs Act, or FEJA, was passed. This affected all ratepayer energy efficiency programs offered in Illinois. These are a few changes we wanted to remind you about. The program year cycle now runs January 1st to December 31st. We are now on a 4-year cycle. All utilities now run the rebate programs for public sector and income qualified customers that the state used to run. 1099 update. The IRS considers certain rebate program incentives to be taxable income. 1099s will be issued annually for incentive payments totaling $600 or more per calendar year. This is a federal law that Nicor Gas must comply with. This may affect the following: businesses and landlords that receive incentives or rebates greater than or equal to $600 per calendar year, and contractors who provided an instant discount greater than or equal to $600 in a calendar year. There are some exceptions. For example, all residential customers are exempt, and some types of corporations are also exempt. And remember, if the total sum of all rebates and incentives received is less than $600 in a calendar year, those companies are also exempt. We recommend you consult with your tax advisor or accountant for more details on the IRS laws and to determine if this will affect you. If we need information, we may have already contacted you or will be doing so shortly, so please respond promptly to any request for information. Trade Ally updates. The Trade Ally website is the place to find all Trade Ally related information. You will find brochures, applications, past newsletters, case studies, as well as calendar of events. You can find the website at nicorgasrebates.com for now, but in 2019, this will change. The Energy Smart website will become a part of the Nicor Gas website next year. We will keep you posted on this change as more information becomes available. ICC certification requirements for electric utilities. The FEJA law that I mentioned earlier requires that you get your ICC certification when working with electric utility rebate programs in some cases. We received questions about this, so we wanted to make sure it is clear that Nicor Gas contractors are not required to get this certification to participate in our rebate programs. Visit the ICC site for additional information and to apply, or contact the electric utility you work with for clarification. For comment questions, contact Ronan O'Connor at 847-924-66 888-888-6930. Contractor Circle updates. The Contractor Circle program is our exclusive Trade Ally membership program. We have two types of memberships: Contractor Circle installing members. These are trade allies who install Energy Smart rebate qualifying products or services. For example, HVAC companies who install furnaces, or weatherization contractors who do air sealing and insulation work. We also have Contractor Circle supplier members. These members don't install product, but they support Energy Smart in other ways, such as selling rebate qualifying equipment. You can apply for membership on our website or contact us if you have any questions. There are two primary qualification requirements to become a Contractor Circle installing member and maintain your membership. You must install Energy Smart rebate qualifying products, and your company must have completed at least 5 paid project or 1 business custom paid project in the current or previous program year. Public or private projects qualify. These requirements will remain the same for 2019. Please remember that all members must be in good standing in order to maintain membership status. Some of these requirements are that you represent the program correctly, you provide good customer service, and you perform quality installations, to name a few. Being a Contractor Circle member offers many benefits. You will be listed on the Find a Contractor search tool on our website, where customers can search for contractors by county and the types of products or services you offer. This is a highly visited page on the Energy Smart site, so it's to your advantage to be listed here. Contractor Circle members can offer the instant discount, which provides the rebate to your customer immediately, and you will in turn be reimbursed by Energy Smart. This service can really differentiate your company from others. If you offer instant discounts, you can use the online instant discount application, which pre-populates your information. This is a big time saver and improves the accuracy, so there are no delays getting paid. You have the option to receive the rebate by check or direct deposit when you use the online application. You can review the status of all rebates submitted in your history tracker as well. There's a drop-down menu for qualified products, which ensures the equipment qualifies for a rebate. You can use the Contractor Circle logo on your website or print material as long as you sign the logo use agreement and get pre-approval for each use. You can order free marketing material, some of which can be customized with your company logo and contact information. And members receive early previews of new information. If you have already met the minimum participation requirements, you received an email stating your membership will automatically roll over for 2019. No further action is required. If you have not met the minimum requirement yet, you received an email explaining next steps. Please make sure you or your customers submit all completed rebates by January 31st so they can be counted toward your membership status. We will review membership status once all the applications for 2018 have been processed, and you will be contacted at that time regarding your membership status. If you think there is an error, please contact us. 2018 closeout schedule. December 31st, 2018 is the end of the current program year. All equipment must be installed and operational to qualify for this year's rebates. Use the current applications for all jobs installed on or before December 31st. January 1st, 2019 is the start of the new program year, and new applications will be available on our website January 2nd. January 31st, 2019 at midnight. It's the last day to apply online or by mail for equipment installed during 2018. Mailed-in rebates must be postmarked by January 31st to be eligible. Online and paper rebate applications will be removed from the website at this time as well. Please delete old applications and download the 2019 updated applications at this time. Nitrogas offers energy efficiency loans, also known as on-bill finance, through Renew Financial. All Illinois utilities will be changing the provider, so Renew will no longer be offering loans in 2019. The last day to submit a loan application this year has passed, so no new loans are being accepted this year. Any loans you have submitted need to be approved by December 14th in order to qualify. That's only a few days away, so please make sure to check the status of any you have submitted. The work must be completed and all the required funding documents must be submitted by December 31st, 2018 at 4 p.m. or the project cannot be funded. After this year's closeout, the Energy Efficiency Loan Program will be on hold until a new provider is in place. We estimate this will take place mid-2019. We will notify you as more information becomes available. Now I'm going to pass it over to Fred on our residential outreach team to talk about the residential rebates. Fred?
Thanks, Janet. I will be talking about the residential rebates. Residential offerings. There are 4 types of offerings which I will cover today. Home assessments, rebates, will cover 4 types: furnace and boilers, air sealing and insulation, duct sealing, residential new construction. We also offer free products for Nicor Gas customers, as well as energy efficiency loans, which we just reviewed. Home energy assessments. Let your customers know about these free home assessments. An Energy Smart Energy Advisor will conduct a free in-home walkthrough assessment. During this walkthrough, they identify energy-saving opportunities, and they also install energy-saving measures such as programmable thermostats at no charge, or smart thermostats at a discount, water-saving shower heads, water-saving aerators, LED light bulbs, and other items for ComEd customers. A report will also be provided to the customer detailing what was installed, along with the savings achieved and energy-saving recommendation for the homeowners. Afterwards, the customer can contact you to perform the recommended work, which may include air sealing and insulation or a furnace replacement. Residential rebates. Our residential rebate offerings use an open network of trade allies, meaning any contractor can offer these rebates, unlike some of our other offerings. There are no changes to the residential rebate program for 2019. It is very important to submit all of your applications for equipment installed in 2018 no later than January 31st, 2019 at midnight. And for anything installed on or after January 1st, use the new 2019 applications. Air sealing and insulation and duct sealing rebates. 2018 closeout. Please submit rebate applications by December 31st, 2018 at midnight for all projects installed through December 31st. Contact your program specialist for any additional information you need. 2019 offerings. Rebates for air sealing and insulation and duct sealing will continue to be available in 2019 for installation by approved contractors only. It will remain a closed contractor network, which means only approved contractors can offer these rebates. Some of the requirements to be an approved contractor are a certificate of insurance, a business license. You must also sign all program agreements. Air sealing and insulation contractors must have the required BPI certification. Duct sealing contractors need one of the certifications listed here. Contact Rick Hild at 773-827-9053 or the email listed for more information. There are no air sealing and insulation and duct sealing rebate changes for 2019. Also, this will continue to be a joint offering with ComEd. Residential new construction update. Builder and rater incentives increased at the end of 2018 and will remain at this higher level for 2019. Builders and raters receive an incentive for building a home 15% or more above Illinois Energy Code. The benefits for a homeowner are that they have a high-performance home that provides lower energy bills, improved comfort and durability, improved health and safety, better resale value, and finally, a homeowner receives a certificate which verifies the home was built at least 15% above code and includes the home's specific HERS index. This is a closed contractor network, and raters need to be ResNet HERS Rater certified. If you are a builder or a ResNet rater and want to learn more, contact us at 651-200-3400 or email listed here. Free products. Tell your homeowner customers that they can order a free energy savings kit on our website and they can install them themselves. The kit contains water-saving shower heads, kitchen and bath aerators, as well as plumber's tape and shower timer. As described earlier, a customer can also take advantage of the free home energy assessment program and get a free assessment and a free installation of these products at no charge. And now we'll hand things over to Jennifer Sally to review the business offerings.
Thanks, Fred. My name is Jennifer Sally. I am an outreach manager that works on behalf of the Energy Smart Business Program. I oversee the business outreach team that supports private and public sector commercial customers. We are your liaison to understanding and participating in the various Nicor Gas rebate and incentive opportunities. What is a public sector facility? It is a property which is controlled or owned by the government and is funded through taxation. Here you can see the kinds of facilities this includes. New for 2019, the public and private sector will have the same standard rebates and custom incentives. There will be no changes to the private sector rebates going into 2019, but now the public sector rebates will mirror the private sector. This means that the public sector will have the same rebate amounts and custom incentives as the private sector, and they will also have the same applications. You will just need to designate if it is a public or private sector customer on the application. Also, we are now referring to these customers as commercial and industrial customers, not business customers anymore. This is to be more inclusive of both private and public sector types of customers. Similar to the residential offerings, there are 4 types of commercial offerings: assessments, rebates, free products, and energy efficiency loans, which will be on hold the beginning of 2019, as Janet mentioned. Let's start with assessments. We offer a free assessment for every type of commercial facility, from small business and post offices to large industrial companies and university campuses. How do these assessments benefit you? By informing your customers that they can receive a free assessment from an Energy Smart certified engineer or energy advisor, you are connecting them with a valuable service and establishing yourself as a trusted advisor. And if the customer allows it, you can attend the assessment and the report presentation meeting if one takes place. The benefits for the customers include a free third-party assessment where the assessor identifies energy savings opportunities, a report including energy efficiency metrics such as costs, savings, and return on investment, and, where applicable, free direct install products the day of the assessment for small to medium-sized organizations or at a scheduled time for larger facilities. Newly added to the list of free products is weather stripping. Using this report as a roadmap, your expertise will help the customer to decide what work is best to do now and what to do in the future. And then you do the work. Energy Smart does not install equipment, so we are relying on you to help drive getting the work done. Let's look at the 3 assessment types. First is the small and mid-sized commercial assessment. This is for customers that use less than 150,000 therms annually. The site visit usually takes about 1 hour, and it's an ASHRAE Level 1 assessment. Next is the opportunity assessment, which is a little deeper dive. This is for larger customers that use more than 150,000 therms annually. This site visit usually takes about 2 hours and is also an ASHRAE Level 1 assessment. Lastly, a facility assessment is for our largest customers using more than 500,000 therms annually. The site visit usually takes a half a day and can include installing data loggers to gather energy usage data. This assessment is an ASHRAE Level 2 assessment. Again, these are all free to your Nicor Gas customers. Recommend these to your customer, and if the customer allows it, you can attend the assessment and report presentation meeting. We also offer multifamily property assessments. This assessment is a joint program with ComEd for multifamily customers for buildings with 5 units or more. An assessment and direct install is performed in the common areas as well as in unit. The customer benefits are: the assessment is free to the customer. An energy advisor conducts a walkthrough assessment. They identify energy-saving opportunities and install energy-saving products such as programmable thermostats, water-saving shower heads, water-saving aerators, and LEDs. This assessment also provides a report recommending improvements to the building owner, and they can work with you to do the work. Rebates available to multifamily properties are the same rebates as our standard commercial and industrial rebates. Customers apply using the commercial and industrial rebate application. Moving on to our commercial and industrial rebates. Standard rebates, also known as prescriptive, are predefined rebate-eligible products. If you install a qualifying product, your customer receives the rebate listed. To qualify for a rebate, you must confirm your customers are eligible. They must be an active Nicor Gas customer, and the account must be on a commercial rate class. You must install rebate qualifying products. No pre-approval is required on standard rebates except for demand-controlled ventilation. The rebate must be applied for within 90 days of the installation or January 31st of the following year, whichever comes first. The customer can apply for the rebate, or if you are a Contractor Circle installing member, you may offer an instant discount and deduct the rebate amount directly on the invoice. You submit the application on their behalf, and you receive the rebate. Please note, for boiler tune-ups, eligibility is 1 tune-up per boiler every 36 months. As a reminder, the new program year begins January 1st, 2019. New rebate brochures and applications will be available January 2nd on our website. January 31st, 2019 at midnight is the latest you may apply online for equipment installed during 2018. Mailed-in rebates must be postmarked by January 31st to be eligible. Again, all 2018 online and paper rebate applications will be removed from the website at this time as well. Please delete old applications and download the 2019 applications. These are the new public sector rebate additions for 2019. So what has changed? There are now more standard rebates for the public sector since it is mirroring the commercial and industrial rebates. These rebates are already available for the private sector in 2018 and will now be available for public sector starting in 2019. Here are the updates for 2019. Dry cleaner steam traps will decrease to $200 per trap. Please note that a trap survey needs to be completed and submitted with the required program documents to qualify for this rebate. We will randomly select completed projects throughout the year for quality control inspections as well. We added kitchen demand control ventilation. This is in addition to the demand control ventilation we currently list in 2018. A new tier for condensing boilers, and a new tier for non-condensing boilers. Also, the central domestic water controls will not only be available for multifamily buildings, but also dorms in 2019. In addition to rebates, Energy Smart offers a commercial and industrial custom incentive offering. If you have a potential project that will save therms but is not on the standard rebate list, it may qualify for a custom incentive. To qualify, the project must save at least 2,500 therms annually, and you must receive program pre-approval before you contract with the customer or begin any work. The custom incentive did not change for private sector and will now be the same for public sector in 2019. The process is as follows. Submit the pre-approval application along with your savings calculations and wait for pre-approval. If required, take part in the on-site visit from our engineers. Receive pre-approval and then order equipment and perform the work. Complete the work and submit the final application and invoices. Wait for the post-inspection measurement and verification by our engineer. receive final approval, and the incentive. Here are a few examples of custom projects. Boiler burner upgrades to make existing boilers more efficient, heat recovery systems to recapture heat generated by other equipment, and energy management or building automation system upgrades. New for 2019, free natural gas retrocommissioning study for customers that meet eligibility requirements. These are performed by qualified program engineers. They provide a detailed review of control systems to identify improvements, and they identify repairs of low-cost operational issues. The energy-saving recommendations identified have quick return on investment, often less than 2 years. Please contact Jennifer Sally at 630-664-9555 to set up your free retrocommissioning study today. The Business New Construction Program offers technical assistance and incentives to support the design and construction of private and public sector buildings that exceed Illinois Energy Conservation Code requirements. This program is offered jointly with ComEd, and any private sector new construction or renovation project that is 5,000 square feet or greater, which is commercial and multifamily, may qualify. We must be involved early in the process in order to qualify for this incentive. Design, engineering, architectural firms, and developers are typically the trade allies we work with. Incentives range from 35 cents per therm up to $1 per therm. NICOR gas incentives are capped at $50,000 per project. To learn more about how to participate, please contact Kellen McSweeney at 608-210-7135 or at the email listed here. Contact the ComEd representative for more information about electric incentives. We have several free products available for commercial and industrial customers. There are free assessments for public and private sector customers, as well as free installation of energy-saving products either during or after the assessment for all of our assessment types. And now, Janet will take over the final section.
Thanks, Jennifer. Now we'll talk about the income qualified offerings. NICOR Gas offers 3 income qualified programs, which we'll discuss in the next few slides. The Illinois Home Weatherization Assistance Program helps income qualified residents and households make their homes and apartments more energy efficient. Weatherization services that are eligible through this program are air sealing, attic and wall insulation, and furnace repair and replacement. The work is done by program-approved contractors. Companies must have the required certifications and licenses to participate. Contact your local community action agency to learn more and how to become an approved contractor. The Affordable Housing and New Construction Program offers technical assistance and incentives to support the design and construction of income-qualified housing that exceeds Illinois Energy Code requirements. One example may include new construction income-qualified senior housing. This is a joint program with ComEd, so both gas and electric incentives are available. It is for new construction or major renovation of single-family or multifamily affordable housing. In order to take advantage of this offering, we need to be involved early in the design and planning process. Buildings must include income-eligible units, which includes households at or below 80% area median income. Typical trade ally partners that participate in this program are builders and developers, architects, and designers. Contact Erica Burge at 608-210-7161 to learn more. The Public Housing Authority program is a full-service program that includes standard and custom rebates, as well as energy assessments, free product installation, and program support. Free energy-saving products installed in residential units and common areas include Energy Star certified LED bulbs, advanced power strips, programmable thermostats, reprogramming existing thermostats, WaterSense certified shower heads, faucet aerators for kitchen and bathrooms, pipe insulation, and vending machine misers in common areas. The process flow works like this. The program does an assessment and makes a list of recommendations. Program provides pre-approval for the work they want to do. The Public Housing Authority selects a contractor based on a bidding process. The selected contractor does the work. Contact the Public Housing Authority to get more information about how to participate. As a reminder, the Trade Ally website is the one-stop shop to get all the information you need to work with Energy Smart. You will also find a list of outreach contacts there. Please use this to find the correct contact to reach out to for program-specific questions. Please watch your email for the webinar link, program updates, and 1099 requests. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. As a reminder, anyone who registered for this webinar will receive an email with a link to the presentation. Thanks again for supporting Energy Smart, and we look forward to working with you in 2019. This concludes our webinar.